So in the previous videos, we were dealing with chapter 1, which is data representation. Today, I want to start a new chapter, which is chapter 2, data transmission. So I want to look at how data is transmitted after all the processes that we discussed in chapter 1 have been done. So data transmission usually defines the process of transmitting data from one device to another. There are some certain protocols that are supposed to be followed, and this is what you're going to be covering in this chapter. So for data to be transmitted across various networks, or maybe across various mediums that we can use, it has to be broken down into what we refer to as data packets. So this will enable smooth transfer of data from one device to another. So when the data is broken down, it forms what we refer to as data packets. So let us see how data packets. In fact, we want to look at the structure of a data packet. So let us look at the structure of a data packet. So this is what I'm going to be sharing here. I want to look at the structure of a data packet. So structure of a data packet. So structure. So let us draw the data packet. So in whatever form that the data packet can be presented in, it has got these three main parts, which are the header, the payload, and the trailer. So let me quickly draw this, the structure, right? And I want to right. So in the first section here, in the first section, we have right. In the first section, we have got the packet header. The packet header. Let me reduce the font so that it will fit in perfectly, right? So we have the packet header, and then in the middle section here, we have the payload. We have the payload, and then here in the last part, which is the bottom part, we have the trailer. So the trailer, right? We have the trailer. So these are the three main parts of our data packet. We've got the packet header, the payload, and the trailer. Let me reduce the font here so that, right. So what happens is that the packet header has got three main parts, right? It has got three main data items, which are the destination address, originator's address, as well as the packet number. And the payload contains the actual data being transmitted, and the trailer contains two main things, which are the frame delimitation data, as well as the error checking methods. So let me quickly label these parts. Let me quickly label. All right. Here, let me put my first box, and I would want to put my second box here, and I would also want to put the other box here. All right. So here I'm going to write information as to what is contained in the packet header. So the packet header contains font again, right? So the packet header, it contains, like I said, it contains one destination destination address. 2, it contains originator's address. And then 3, it contains the packet number. And the payload. Now, this is the actual data being transmitted in the payload. This is the actual data being transmitted. And the last section, we said it contains the frame delimitation, right? Frame delimitation data and error checking methods. Frame delimitation, right? Don't mind about the spellings. So 1, frame delimitation, and then 2, right? So let me just link, right? And then we link to this, and then we link the payload, right? So in summary, this is the structure of our data packet, right? It is got the packet number, the payload, as well as the trailer. And we say the trailer contains, the destination address, the originator's address, as well as the packet number. So the destination address is used to direct, right, the path that the data packet is going to take. That's the destination address. And then the originator's address is used to determine where the packet is coming from in case of an error. And then the packet number would be used to reorganize the packets after they've been received by the receiving device. And the payload, this is the actual data that is being transmitted, the piece of data, right? And a packet is only a small unit of data. That's the definition for packet. It is a small unit of data. And then frame, the payload, we said it contains the frame delimitation data as well as the error checking methods. So frame delimitation, it indicates the beginning and the end of a data packet. And then error checking methods, these are the methods which would be used in case of any error. So we'll discuss about the error checking methods in the coming videos or in the coming units. So this is the structure of a data packet. So it's very simple. What you simply have to know is the information that is contained in each and every part of the parts of a data packet. So this is what we have to share today. Thank you very much for. So that was all for today. Thank you very much. Please keep on sharing, subscribe to my channel, as well as following me on my various social media platforms that are provided in the link in the description below. That's my channel, Kuda HTML TV. So we were discussing about the structure of a data packet, right? And we said it has got 3 main parts, which are the packet header, the payload, and the trailer. The packet header containing the 3 main data items, which are the originator's address, destination address, as well as the packet number. And then the payload, this is the part that contains the actual information that is being transmitted. And the trailer, it contains 2 main pieces of data, which are frame delimitation data as well as the error checking methods. So that's the structure of the data packet. The reason having these data packets being to have an efficient way of transmitting data. For example, data can be very huge and very large. So it won't be possible for this to be transmitted all at one go. It has to be broken down into some packets, which we refer to as data packets. These are small units of data. So this is what we have to cover today. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.